Hello and welcome to Vastrakala by VS Creations. When we say Vastrakala, we refer to the art or kala with fabrics, and that also includes what is popularly known as fashion designing, or in simpler terms, dressmaking. While a lot of parameters like drafting, pattern making, fabric grains, etc., play a major role in fashion designing, let's take our first baby step into this with some easy DIY projects. The pattern making and garment construction techniques are always learnt by working on miniatures. This is to save on time as well as fabric, and also not to worry much about mistakes or wastage. So, here to make our Vastrakala journey more exciting, we shall see how to make a full circular umbrella skirt. Firstly, decide on the length of the skirt you want to make, and then also take the round waist measurement. On a sheet of paper, mark 1/4 of the waist measurement with 1/4 inch or half centimeter as ease. Draw this measurement in a curved manner on one corner of the sheet of paper as shown here. As we intend to make a full circular skirt, from this line mark the length of the skirt you decide to make. Mark the length in a circular way as shown here. After cutting this template, or what in fashion technology terminology is called as a draft, place this on the fabric you want to make. As we have taken 1/4 of the measurement, and this being a full circular skirt, fold the fabric into 4 like this. So there are 2 fold lines here. Pin the draft on the fabric and mark the stitching lines. We leave 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter at the waist for making the waist belt, and 3/4 inch at the hemline. Now cut the fabric and see the full circular skirt emerge. Now we make a waistband so that the skirt is practically wearable. Give a small cut, say for about 1.5 to 2 inches in case of miniatures, and in case of adults for about 4 to 5 inches. Take about double its length on a piece of fabric with width of about 1.5 inch. Pin it up along the length of the slit by turning the fabric as shown here. Stitch it with about 1/4 inch or 1/2 centimeter seam allowance. Then give a small cut till the edge of the seam. Fold the attached fabric into the slit in such way that one side is fully folded inside and the other side is projected out. You can even hand tack it to keep the fabrics in place, and then machine stitch it if you find it difficult to handle with pins. The finished slit looks like this. Now it's time to attach the waistband. For that, measure the waist along the extension at the slit as well. That is, measure the waist length on the skirt as shown here from end to end. Mark 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter on either sides as seam allowance. Fold about 1/2 to 1 centimeter on either side of the waistband before starting to attach to the skirt. Fix the waistband such that the fold line lies on the finished fold line of the slit. You can pin up at both the ends and then stitch on the 1/2 inch seam allowance marked at the waistline of the skirt. another fold to finish the waistband in such a way that the waist seam of the skirt gets completely concealed. In fact, attaching a waistband requires an exclusive tutorial, and you can find a detailed one soon on our basic sewing series. A skirt hook and eyelet can help hold the skirt. For finishing the hemline, you can either fold and do a normal machine stitch or opt for a picot or zigzag, as that gives a nice rippled effect to an umbrella skirt. And ta-da! Our miniature skirt is ready. Try in miniature scales for a couple of times, and once you get the confidence, make a wonderful umbrella skirt for yourself, your daughter, sister or friend. Hope you all liked this video. Give a thumbs up, subscribe and share with your creative friends. See you all soon with a new tutorial.